In this video I'm going to show you how to put a header on only one page in Google Docs. So as you can see, we have a Google document here and we would like to add a header to it. So go to the Insert tab, then search for headers and footers, click on the header, and now you can add a header over here. We can make it a little bit bigger by making it bold and then upscale the size of the font. So now as you can see, if I create a new page, then the header will also appear on this page. But I got a workaround for that. So what you need to do is select the header, double click on it, and then select different first page. Once you have done this, you can enter your header. And now you can again make it a little bit bigger by upscaling the font size, making it bold, and now you can see that we can go to the second page. There we can delete the header and then click on the document. And now once you have created a new page, there won't be added a header to the second page. So this page will only contain the header. And that is how you put a header on only one page in Google Docs.